Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download the Bet365 app. The first thing I want you to do is go to your Play Store or Apple App Store and then come here, click on the search icon, and I want you to just go ahead and type in Bet365. So once you've typed that in, go ahead and tap on that. You'll see many different results. I want you to make sure you're downloading the correct one. It is by Hillside Technology Limited. So this is the Bet365 app. Come here, click on install, and as you can see, it is currently downloading right now. And once it is done downloading, I'll open it up just to show you. So I've clicked here on open, and there you go. The Bet365 app has been launched. I'll use your location data and make sure that gambling is allowed in your location. So I'll give the permissions. As you can see, location has been confirmed. And now you can skip all of this and begin using the app. You can go ahead and sign up if you want as well. Fully functional, as you can see. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe to App Mentor.